Welcome to part 4 of how to make 3D 2D game in Unity 2017. So in this part we're going to make some interesting stuff. I'm going to add coins and set the scope. So first of all I'm going to organize the scene a bit. So I'm going here, create empty object, name it ground, and I'm going to put all those cubes inside this empty object. And now I can show and hide. So now I'm going to create an empty object. I'm going to name it coins, and I'm going to set its position to 0, 0, and 0. So I'm going to right click and create 3D object cube. So this cube will be our coin. Okay, I'm going to make it a bit smaller, 0.5. Okay, that's cool. I'm going to make it a bit floating. Okay, so it's white ugly. So I'm going to make a new material, create material. Let's name it gold. I'm going to set the gold to a gold color, maybe. Okay, that's okay. Set the smoothness to 0. Attach the material to the cube. Okay, everything is fine, I guess. Okay, I'm going to make it a bit shiny. Okay, that's it. Okay, cool. Now I'm going, well, I guess I'm going to add tag, and the class I'm going to set the tag to coin, and go to the cube and tag it coin. So later on in the player script I will say when the player collides with an object that have a coin tag, the score will add. We're gonna see that later. So now I'm going to put the coins in the game. I'm going to speed the video a bit. So I'm starting. Okay, finally I'm done. So I'm going to hide them. Okay, finally, that was so tiresome. So I'm going to select the player movement script and enter. Now I'm going to use onCollision enter to check if the player collided with the coins or not, and what to do if he did. Okay, so I'm going to make it. Okay, onCollision enter if other dot game object dot compare tag count. Basically, if the player collides with a collision, the collision name is other. If other tag is coin, if I collide with the coin, I want to debug.log. I want to print in the console coin, just to debug to see if the code works or not. Let's go to Unity, Unity is checking for errors. Let's go to console, and I'm going to hit the play button. Okay, so I'm going to the console. As you can see, there is a coin in the console. So I want when the player collides with the coin will be destroyed. So I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to make other dot game object. I want the game object of the coin to be destroyed. Dot destroy, or sorry, destroy other dot game object. Okay, let's try it. Okay, everything works fine. Okay, I lost. So now I'm going to add the score. First, let's go to the player movement script. I'm going to make a new variable, public. I'm going with the type of integer. I'm going to name it score. Okay. In the start, I want to set the score to 0. Okay. And I'm going, if he collides with the coin, I want to set the score equals the current score plus 10, for example. Okay, let's go to Unity and hit the play button and see what happens. Okay, I don't want it to be maximized, so right click, maximize. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so I'm going to select the player and see the script score. Okay, so I'm going to collide with the coin and see what happens. Okay, so my score is 60. Okay, I'm rich, so I'm going to return to this one. Okay, so I want the score to be on top of the screen. So to do that, let's go to the hierarchy, right click, UI, and text. Okay, so okay, so the text will be score. Okay, so I'm going to press F. Okay, the score is down. I'm going here, reset its position. Okay, F. As you can see, the score is in the middle of the screen, and I want to make it on top, so click here and go top. Select top and go to reset. Sorry, reset. Okay, what's happening? Go to left. Okay, what is happening? 0 and 0. Okay, everything is fine. So I want it to be a bit down, a bit right. So that's cool. I want to set the color to white. I don't know, like that. Cool. I want okay, that's cool. So I'm going to the player script and add a new variable, a public variable of type text, and name it text and name it score, like that. Now Okay, player score. Okay, now go here and add using Unity engine.ui, because we're using UI here. I used UI, so I'm going to save. Okay, so I want when the player collides, well, the score increases by 10. So to do that, okay, I already done that. So I want the score to be printed in the game scene. So I'm going to write, okay, player score equals I guess it's like that, and score. Let's try it. Let's see if there are any errors. Okay, so the score is integer, is numbers, and the text is strings. So I can't. So to print the score, I need to make score dot to string. Okay, let's check it out. Let's see if there are any errors. Okay, there is still an error. So I can't convert the type string to text. Okay, so the reason why this is not working, because I'm going to use another UI that okay. So I'm going to write player score dot. Okay, it's of type text, so I'm going to write text and equals to the score plus our score dot to string, because because the score is of type integer, and integer and strings are not so close, I mean friends. Okay, our player score is of type text, so I'm going to write player score dot text equals score plus player score, which is it's called score dot to string. Okay, so let's try it. Now first I need to put the text in the player. Select the player and drag the text to the player score, and let's see what happens. Okay, everything works fine. So I lost. Okay, so the reason why I wrote score.toString because the score is of type integer and the text needs strings. So I translated the integer to string. So I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.